By the way, what about with you and your mother?
Well, I just 2 times she come look for me and she basically explain how everything go and why she have to go in hiding.
So everything good with her now?
I'm not sure, you know. Because she don't want to tell me where she live.
What? Why?
She said she's not sure if Mask is still after her.
What? I don't understand that. So, Masu no dey prison?
Remember say Masu organization is big enough. So we don't know if she still have clout out her road.
Yeah, and that's she say.
I still want you to keep your eye open. Because sometimes I milk them come for milk you.
Yeah, that's true. Especially the fact that you're a business owner now.
She said she don't want no pharmacy. And she prove it.
She prove it?
Prove it how?
Well, she take my banking information and send me 50K.
Just so?
Yeah, so she'll make it up for lost times.
Hold on. And you tell me say that look weird?
Not really. I'm a mother, you know, and she been missing out of my life for years.
At the only time that she send you money?
No, the day when we get the dream, she sent me 30K more.
And you not see that strange?
Listen to me, Tony. You might have to do a background check by your mother, you know.
Background check? Bubbles, that I go feel weird.
Tony, you know what weird? The fact that you don't know what your mother do. And she just pop up and get 80 grand already just so. And that weird.
That's very strange, Tony. Worse the fact she don't want to tell you which part she live. That's suspicious and bad.
She explained that already.
Don't be gullible in a Tony.
Whisper. Now tell me no foolishness for gullible. The woman I'm a mother and it's not like me see her every day. And she a beg me. And she a give me things, you know?
Hello, calm yourself. And don't get defensive. This woman missed out of your life, all of your adult life. And all of a sudden she just shower you with money. And you don't know her background. Hear what me I tell you. You see, if you don't want to do the background check, but we get somebody else to do it. Or me, or Whisper will do it. But it must be done. You hear me?
Yes, Bubbles.
You owe Whisper an apology.
Sorry, Whisper. It's just that.
You don't have to explain. Move over. Just remember about the emotion part, see? You're an agent now. And whether you like it or not, you still have to look out for your third eye.
I understand. Me will do the deep search for her.
You're sure?
Yeah, I'm my mother and me an agent. So I'm me for do it.
No, I know. Mama tell you something where you never learned, Tony. You see, many times when we're on case, if them find someone too close to the case, we can get compromised. So them take we out.
It's like a conflict of interest.
Yeah, I know.
You know?
Yeah, I do my own research.
Alright. Mega ask her if it is okay for you to do a deep search.
No, me will ask.
Okay, miss.
I don't say certain things about my pay grade. But this Tony brother, him sound dangerous. And him not look Jamaican.
Oh, trust me. He is Jamaican. And he's very dangerous.
Yeah, him is like a Jamaican mafia. And the reason why Mr. Mullins so serious when it come on to him is because of him training.
I really want to take down that brother, yeah.